Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I forgot all about opening up this video. I wanted to get into this kitchen so bad and take everything out of this pantry and organize it, okay? So y'all, come on in this kitchen and help me, and I will see you all in the middle part of this video. Yeah, I will see you all in the middle part of this video. So sit back, relax, and watch your girl work.
Luna de noche, canto por ti. Tú no respondes, luna, te perdí por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer, por otra mujer. Todas mis culpas y todos mis delitos, no quiero aceptar que todo acabará. Por otra mujer, fallaste. Por otra mujer.
Okay, y'all, so I am back. I have to show y'all this kitchen, but it is nighttime now. You all saw me kind of straighten up the pantry, but after I did that, I started to feel bad, so I ended up stopping. I went and laid down and ended up falling asleep. So when I woke up, I took me a shower, and then I was like, you know what? Let me just take everything out of the pantry because I need to go through everything, look at the dates and all of that stuff, and just quit being lazy and take everything out and straighten this pantry up. And then I'll just finish tomorrow. Y'all know I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Like, I'm not gonna act like I did all of this in one day. So that's where we are now. I'm gonna show you all what the kitchen is looking like. I had to throw away more than what I thought. And I was just like, oh, see, this is why it needs to be more organized. Like, I would organize it, but I didn't look at the date since the last time I pulled everything out. I'm going to have to just start going in and looking at the dates more often and using those items that I see where they are about to expire. Okay, so this is this area. As you can see, I kind of have all of the items in different categories or whatever. Like, that's the pastas. I have the condiments back there, all of the dry goods. like the bread in right here. I just have the rice sitting over here and the potatoes, but I am going to put that rice in a different container because it's a lot of rice in there. So we'll do that on tomorrow. And then right here, I just have everything that's like that I would use for desserts and stuff like that. And just some canned goods, just some random stuff that was in the pantry area. That's just something that I had on the stove or whatever, but I have just these well, I'm having a brain freeze. Oh, I'm just having a brain freeze right now. I can't think of what they are, but I had just different items in there. This is some of the stuff I wanted to show y'all that I had to throw away. And the crazy part is I've went out and purchased fettuccine and mashed potatoes. That is a new box of mashed potatoes. Like, I just want to literally shake myself. But this is why I'm just going to put different items together that go with each other. That's just some of the stuff that I had to throw away. On this side, these are just some baskets that I had in the pantry. I do want to get something else to put in there to hold the food items in, because just depending on what I have, you know, the baskets may not be the best for me to put items in. But as for right now, this is what I'm going to use. I don't want to buy anything right now for the pantry, but in the future we'll get something else for the food to go in. The only thing that I didn't have to do a lot to is the snack basket. So, because everybody's always eating chips and cookies and all that stuff, so this is the only thing that I did not have to do anything to. But I will see you all tomorrow.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, y'all, so it is the next morning and it's time to get back into this kitchen, okay? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready to finish this pantry? Okay. I'll see you all later. Bye, y'all. Okay, in this basket, I have breads, tortillas, so anything in that category is in this. I had this little small crate, so I have potatoes in there. And if we get any other type of fresh vegetables like that, I will put those in there. I have pasta. So you know how you open up pasta and you have some left over. So I put that in there. And this is just, you know, just random stuff like, guess you can say like pasta, rice. I have the Jiffy Mix, and then I have like the fish fry and stuff like that. So, and then I put these items in these baskets because you can see them. Items like this, I just put them in the crates because, you know, I know pretty much with anything that has to do with baking what I have and all of that. But the items like these items where I would go and buy some and I already have some, so I put it in here, that way I can see it. I am all done with the pantry and it came out good. Like, I have even more space. I feel like putting everything into a basket or crate or whatever you want to put your items in, I feel like that really helped to just give you more space, because if all of this was separate, then, you know, I would have boxes or knocking down boxes or bottles and all that stuff. But I really feel like if you have a small pantry, now if you have a large pantry, you can get away with having everything out of a container. But I feel like for us people that have small pantries, this is the way to go. I have the chips down there, and if I want to put something else at the bottom, I can actually get another crate and put it down there, or a wire basket and put down there, and I can add something else. So I feel like this is a really good way for you to be able to see, like with the wire baskets, I can see exactly what's in there. And with the crates, I already know what's in there, so I could just simply pull it out to see if I have, the things that I need, the different foods that I need before going to the store to get, those items. So yeah, y'all. So this is how the pantry look. And I am glad I'm done, okay? I'm glad I'm done. So, yeah. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I'm glad that I'm done. We're organizing the pantry. One thing that I wanted to tell you all that I forgot to tell you is the wire baskets. I purchased those from Hobby Lobby I didn't do it last year. I think it was the year before last. They had a 90% off sale. I want to say it was either after the spring or after the fall. So just remember, like, try and check different stores out after, like the different holidays or seasons, because you can get a really good deal on certain things. When I saw those, I was like, oh yeah, I can use those to organize. So just remember, when you go into different stores, really, Hobby Lobby is a really good store. Kirkland's is a really good store to go in, and like stores like Dollar General, of course Walmart, but the main stores I go to Hobby Lobby and I go to Kirkland's after certain seasons, because they really have good sales on, different stuff. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead so I can chillax and enjoy myself, keep my legs up, and watch some videos, because I am so behind on YouTube videos, okay? And I will see you all in the next video. Bye, y'all.